Welcome to Tech with Zamir. In this video, we are going to learn about drop function in PySpark. It is used to remove one or multiple column from a data frame. It returns a new data frame without modifying the original one. Now, here's our sample data. We have ID, name, and then we have salary, department, and age. We are creating a data frame called df by using this create data frame function, and here we provided the data. Now here we provided the list of the columns for our data, as we do not have the column names here in the data itself. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create this data frame, and then we will take a look. Once the data frame is created, we can see we have ID, name, salary, department, and age right there. Now, if we would like to remove the age, we can do that. So we can use the drop function here. So here I created a new data frame, and then equal to df for my data frame. The one has all these columns, and age is one of them. And then I said drop function and pass the name for the column, that is the age. Then I'm showing you df dropped dot show to show all the records from the data frame. Df underscore dropped. Now this I could have done one more thing. I could have run like this, df equal to df dot drop. What that will do, that will replace my data frame. The same data frame df, it will be replaced, and age will be removed as well. So but in my case, I don't want to do it because I'm using this same data frame further in the examples. So that's why I'm keeping the new data frame. Okay, so if we want to remove the age from the data frame, we can do that, and this is a new data frame that will be created without age. So let's execute that, and now we will see the outcome here, and you can see that the new data frame does not have age, as it has been removed from the df when the new data frame was created. Also, we can provide multiple column names here in the drop. So let's say I want to remove ID and department, that can be done as well. So here I'm saying df underscore multiple drop dropped, that's my data frame name, equal to df, that this is the df that has all these columns, and now I'm removing ID and department. So I'm populating my df underscore multiple dropped data frame by removing ID and department from df data frame. So let's execute that as well, and then see the results for this data frame. And you can see that we don't have ID and department in newly created data frame, as these columns were removed. Now, if you will pass a column that does not exist in the data frame, it's not going to happen anything, but the new data frame will be created with all other columns. So here I'm saying df underscore non-existent, so that's my new data frame name that I want to create depending upon the df the values, but I'm dropping a column called gender. But if a df data frame does not have gender, nothing will happen, but rest of the column will come to this df non-existent data frame. So let's execute that and take a look. So here you can see that we have ID, name, salary, department, and age, and this is entire data frame. Actually, this is the same data frame df is copied to the df non-existent data frame, as gender column did not exist. So I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.